FES Tool. As precise woodworking becomes more accessible to DIYers and professionals alike, the demand for reliable track saws has grown immensely. These tools deliver clean, straight cuts, making them essential for cabinetry, flooring, and furniture projects. In this guide, we review the top 5 track saws based on motor power, accuracy, ease of use, build quality, and included accessories. Whether you're tackling home renovation or job site tasks, these saws bring next-level cutting performance. List number: Festool 577014 Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55 FEQ F+FS with 55-inch guide rail. The Festool 57704014 TS55 FEQ F+FS is considered the gold standard for precision cutting. Featuring a 55-inch guide rail, this plunge cut track saw ensures ultra-straight cuts with minimal tear-out. The saw includes an efficient dust extraction port, variable speed control, 2,000 to 5,800 RPM, and a splinter guard for clean edges. Its smooth plunge mechanism and intuitive depth adjustments make it ideal for professionals. The included FS 1400 rail aligns beautifully on wood, plywood, and laminate. List number:
Festool 57608 Plunge Cut Circular Track Saw TS55 FEQ F+.
If you already own a Festool track rail or want to customize your kit, the Festool 57608 TS55 FEQ F+ is a slightly more budget-friendly option that excludes the guide rail. It delivers the same outstanding performance, cutting precision, and durability as its sibling. The tool features a variable speed motor, toolless blade changing, a riving knife for safety, and dust port compatibility. List number:
DeWalt Circular Saw Track Saw Kit
DWS 520K. The DeWalt DWS 520K brings professional-grade cutting power to the table at a more accessible price point. This corded 6.5-inch track saw is built with a 12-amp motor that offers consistent cutting performance across hardwood, MDF, and sheet goods. It includes a riving knife, anti-kickback mechanism, and zero-clearance track compatibility, which means clean, splinter-free cuts every time.
The plunge mechanism is smooth and the depth control precise, making it suitable for finished carpentry or cabinet installation.
List number: MGA-ONSG for Milwaukee 2831-20 M18 Fuel 6.5-inch Cordless Plunge Track Saw. Bare tool compatible with Milwaukee's highly rated M18 Fuel battery platform. The MGIO-NSG for Milwaukee 2831-20 Cordless Track Saw is ideal for mobility and performance. With brushless motor technology, this tool delivers the power of a corded saw without being tethered. It features a precise depth adjustment, bevel cuts up to 48 degrees, and smooth plunging for refined finishes. The saw is designed to pair with Milwaukee's own guide rail system and excels in job site environments where flexibility matters.
List 9.
DeWalt 60V Max Cordless Track Saw, 6.5-inch. For maximum mobility and cutting performance, the DeWalt 60V Max Track Saw stands out as a powerhouse in the cordless category. Fueled by DeWalt's FlexVolt battery system, this saw offers consistent power and runtime comparable to ported saws. With a 6.5-inch blade and zero-clearance track compatibility, you can make splinter-free cuts with incredible precision. It's designed for professionals who need to move quickly between job sites without sacrificing performance. The riving knife, anti-kickback function,